calcium carbide, an essential raw material in the chemical industry, has been revitalized by TYWH's innovation. Since its establishment in 2007 on the strengths of its technological innovation, safe and reliable products, and professional services, TYWH has won the trust of its clients across the world, rapidly emerging as a major supplier of calcium carbide with global influence. Guided by the principle of safety and efficiency in production, TYWH has an annual output of 120,000 tons of calcium carbide on the strength of its 8 fully automatic filling production lines. Our strong production capacity provides reliable procurement assurance for our clients. Safety and environmental protection are the cornerstone of TYWH's survival. We strictly implement safety production standards and green environmental protection schemes, comprehensively control every production process so as to guarantee that our calcium carbide meets the quality, safety, and environmental protection standards. We have been certified with multiple international certification systems, serving over 300 customers across the world. The TYWH has always adhered to the philosophy of customer first, service foremost, by offering high-quality calcium carbide and flexible solutions. We are committed to becoming the supplier of first choice for the industrial gas and steel industries. Thank you for your attention to TYWH. We look forward to working with you and creating a better future together.